Hey, I've got something exciting to share with you. Are you ready to boost your confidence, attract positivity, and feel more at peace? My new ebook, Powerful and Positive Affirmations to Change Your Life in 30 Days, is the ultimate guide to creating lasting change. With daily affirmations, guided meditations, and visualization techniques, this 30-day challenge will help you feel more motivated, confident, and purposeful. And the best part, it's only $4.99. Start your transformation today. Grab your copy and watch your life change.
Wait, before you click away, I want you to know that in the next 10 minutes, I am going to show you something that literally thousands of people have used to manifest exactly what they wanted. And the crazy part? It takes just 10 minutes. No hours of meditation, no sitting in silence until your legs fall asleep. Just 10 minutes. I am pausing here to let that sink in. I discovered Jose Silva's method 3 months ago when I was completely stuck. I was broke, my relationships were a mess, and I honestly thought manifestation was just wishful thinking. But then something happened that changed everything. See, most people don't know that Jose Silva created a technique so powerful that NASA scientists studied it. The military used it. And today, I am breaking down exactly how you can use it in just 10 minutes. And here is the thing. If it doesn't work for you in the first 24 hours, you'll understand why and how to fix it. So, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step guide that you can literally use tonight. Let's do this. Let me ask you something. How many times have you set an intention and nothing happened? You visualized, you affirmed, you did all the right things, but life stayed exactly the same. I am pausing to let you sit with that, because this is important. Here is what I realized. Most manifestation methods are incomplete. They're only using half your brain. You see, Jose Silva discovered something revolutionary back in the 1960s that scientists are only now confirming with neuroscience. Your brain has different brainwave states. When you are stressed, rushing, or in survival mode, you are in beta. That is where 95% of people live. In beta, your manifestation doesn't work because your subconscious is locked down. It is literally not listening to your conscious desires. But there is another state. It is called alpha. And in alpha, something magical happens. Your subconscious becomes like clay. It is malleable. It is open. And that is where real manifestation happens. That is where Jose Silva's method works. The problem isn't you. The problem is that nobody taught you how to access alpha until now. Your brain produces electrical frequencies. When you are awake and thinking, you are in beta 13 to 30 cycles per second. When you are relaxed, calm, or daydreaming, you are in alpha 8 to 12 cycles per second. Alpha is the sweet spot. It is where your analytical mind relaxes, but you are still conscious. It is where creativity flows. It is where your subconscious listens. And get this, most successful people, CEOs, athletes, artists, they naturally spend more time in alpha. That is not an accident. Jose Silva's genius was figuring out a method that gets any ordinary person into alpha in less than 10 minutes. And once you are there, the visualization part takes another 5 minutes. Boom, that is your 10 minutes. Let me show you exactly how. This is called the mental countdown. It is ridiculously simple, but it works immediately. Here is what you do. Step 1. Sit comfortably somewhere quiet. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just a place where you won't be interrupted for 10 minutes. Close your eyes. Step 2. Take a deep breath in for 4 counts. Hold it for 4. Release for 4. Do this 3 times. This alone is signaling to your nervous system that you are safe. You are shifting out of beta. Now here comes the magic part. In your mind, visualize the number 100. Just see it. Don't overthink it. See 100. Then in your mind, say, I am now at level 10. Not dramatically calmly, like you are stating a fact. Then see 99. Say, I am now at level 10 again. 98. I am now at level 10. You are counting backward while repeating that affirmation. Keep going. 97, 96, 95. Now here is where it gets interesting. You don't have to say it every single number. After a while, maybe every 10 numbers. After 50, maybe every 20. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is to reach somewhere around 25 to 10. And by then, your brain is in alpha. How do you know? You'll feel it. Your body becomes heavy. Time gets fuzzy. Your mind gets quieter. Calmer, that is alpha. That is when you know you are ready for the next part. And here's a secret. Most people don't know even if you don't feel it at first, you are still doing it. Your brain is still shifting. It is not about what you feel. It is about what is actually happening neurologically. Trust the process now. You are in alpha. Your subconscious is listening. This is where the real magic happens. Imagine a movie screen about 4 feet in front of you. Some people see it clearly like a real screen. Some people just get the sense of it. Both work. Don't stress about seeing it perfectly on that mental screen. Place a symbol that means solved to you. For me, it is a green check mark. For some people, it is a thumbs up. For others, it is a smile. Pick whatever feels right. Now, think about your desire. Let's say you want more money. Don't picture yourself rich yet. Instead, picture your current situation, bills, your desk, whatever, and then picture that symbol appearing on it. The green check mark, it means this is solved, this is handled, this is done. And here is the secret. The moment you place that symbol, you are not asking the universe. You are not begging. You are declaring. You are telling your subconscious this is already complete. And your subconscious doesn't know the difference between imagination and reality, so it starts working on making it real. Do this for about 5 minutes. Just keep placing that symbol on your situation. Feel the calm certainty that it is handled, that it is solved. Don't force emotion, just know it. When you are ready, count up. 1, 2, 3. Open your eyes. You are back. That is it. That is the entire method. 10 minutes. You've just programmed your subconscious to work on your goal 247. Now, you might be thinking, okay, but does it actually work? Let me tell you what happened to me. I used this exact method to manifest a job opportunity. I did the 10-minute session on a Tuesday. That Friday, completely out of nowhere nowhere Simone I hadn't spoken to in 2 years, texted me about a position at their company. Not just any position, the exact job I'd visualized, but here is what blew my mind. Later, I found out they'd been thinking about me that whole week. They said it was like I popped into their head randomly. That is your subconscious communicating with theirs. That is the real power of this method, and I am not alone. People who've used Silva's method have manifested partners, businesses, health breakthroughs, opportunities that seemed impossible. Why? Because they're not just visualizing, they're communicating with their subconscious in its native language. You can start tonight. In 10 minutes, you can program your mind to work toward what you actually want instead of what you are afraid of. Before you go, I want to tell you the #1 reason people don't get results with this method. Are you ready? It is because they do it once and expect the universe to hand them results. That is not how it works. This method works best when you do it consistently. Once a day for 21 days is where you start seeing real shifts. Why 21 days? Because that is how long it takes to reprogram a belief. After 21 days, you are not hoping anymore. You are expecting results, and your subconscious matches that expectation. So your homework is this. Do this method every single day for 21 days. Not for hours, just 10 minutes. Focus on one goal, not 5 things. One, and I am telling you right now, something will happen. Even small signs. Pay attention to them. Those are your subconscious saying, we're working on this. Okay, so I want to ask you for something. Not money, not yet. I want to ask you to actually do this. Don't watch another video and do nothing. Commit right now to the 21-day challenge. Pick your goal and start tonight. But here's the thing. If this video helped you, if these ideas are going to change your life, I'd love your support. And I know that sounds like I am selling, but I am not. I am creating content like this constantly, and it takes time, research, and energy that I am giving freely. If you want to support the channel and help me keep making videos about manifestation, neuroscience, and transformation, I'd love for you to buy me a coffee. It is literally 3 to 5, no subscription. Just a one-time thing that tells me, hey, This helped me, and I want more. You can find the link in the description. Buy me a coffee to support me. But whether you support or not, I want you to start this today, because I genuinely believe this is going to change your life.